Hello, my name is Francisco Javier López Moreno, an industrial engineering student in the linear programming course. On this occasion, I will interpret the results of an exercise I developed using the simplex primal method, which we found in Unit 1, Task 1, Solution of Linear Programming Models for Decision Making. I chose to solve part B of this exercise where we were given an objective function of American factory company which state that in produces ecological brick type 1 with a utility of $3,300 per unit. Also ecological brick type 2 with a utility of $3,500 per unit. And ecological brick type 3 with a utility of $4,000 per unit. The exercise also provides the system requirements which state that to produce ecological brick type 1, 165 tons of recycled PET plastic, 20 tons of cement, and 15 tons of additives and other materials are required to produce ecological brick type 2 and 145 tons of recycled PET plastic, 30 tons of cement, and 25 tons of additives and other materials are required. Finally, to produce ecological brick type 3, 120 tons of recycled PET plastic, 50 tons of cement, and 30 tons of additives and other materials are required. With the following constraints, the company has a maximum of 6,500 tons of recycled PET plastic, 1,700 tons of cement, and 1,400 tons of additives and other materials available. And finally, the exercise asks a decision question: what quantity of each type of ecological brick should American factory company produce to make decision and obtain the highest utility with the available resources? Where in the end, the simplex primal method was implemented and it reached the conclusion of the following results. American factories should produce 0 units of ecological bricks type 1 utility of $3,300 per unit. Also, it should produce 33.16 units of ecological brick tip to with a utility of $3,500 per unit of 14.11 points of ecological brick tip 3 with a utility for $1,000 per unit to maximize production utilities as at $172,465.75. Thank you.